Hi, as you can imagine, our online delivery service has been incredibly busy, and sadly we might always not have the strength of liquid that you need. But here's a little tutorial video to show you how you can get two different strengths and mix them to get the strength that you require, so that if you don't have the strength to get online, you can order two different strengths and mix them to get what you need. So here's a little how-to video to help you out. Let's say that you normally smoke 0.6%, but it's not available online. What you can do is order a 0% strength and a 1.1% strength and mix them together to get approximately 0.6%. If you want to do this, please write in the remarks when you make your order that you want a mixer bottle, and we'll include this free of charge. So first of all, when you get your order, open up your mixer bottle by flipping the top open. Now take the two strengths that you want to mix and squeeze the entire contents into your mixer bottle. Once you've filled up your mixer bottle, simply give it a good shake once you've closed the cap at the top. 4 small bottles will fill up 1 mixer bottle. We always try our best to keep all strengths in stock, but this is just an option you can try if you can't get the strength you require. If you have any queries at all or can't get what you need, please feel free to call our customer service line on 0141 243 2528. Thanks again for shopping at Refill Station.